Hello, my name is Asli Sayar. I'm a licensed Nevada and California attorney affiliated with the firms of Leah Kakos Law APC and of course my own firm, Asli Sayar Attorney at Law Inc. And today I wanted to talk to you about being on the web and the legal pitfalls that you might not be aware of as you migrate most or all of your business into a virtual mode, either because of economic reality or because of the COVID-19 crisis. So some information that we'd like to give you today is discussing privacy. Now, many of you might have noticed after the first of this year, January 1st, 2020, when you visited websites, even on your mobile phone or devices, there'll be a pop-up that says, this site uses cookies, or this site has privacy policy. Please opt in, please opt out. And most of the time, we're so busy in our day-to-day lives, we're like, yeah, I don't want to read that. Click away, ignore, move forward. But there's a reason these pop-ups are showing up all of a sudden. And this reason will affect us regardless of the COVID-19 crisis as we continue to do business online. And that reason is laws were passed in the state of California, and laws previously existed under the privacy terms of the California Constitution that require any business that does anything via a website to make disclosures regarding privacy, cookies, terms and conditions, and use. Basically explaining to the public that's visiting their website what they plan to do with the information that they gather through the website, how they plan to protect it, what information they are putting on your computer to make it easier for you to view their website, etc. Now, California has recently done this, but in 2019, the European Union also put very, very strict guidelines in place, similarly for any website that affects European Union citizens. And since the internet is universal, and we can access, for the most part, websites from other countries fairly easily, this also affects you in the United States, these European Union laws, as well as California laws. So what we want you to think about as you are doing more and more business online is evaluate what information your website gathers. Does it gather emails? Does it gather contact information? Does it take credit card information? And have you put into place policies and procedures on your website that are visible that say, this is how I protect your data, this is the data I'm gathering, I am or am not selling your data? Because if you have failed to do that, it is possible for a user to your website to claim under either European Union laws or California laws that you have violated their privacy and their rights, and they then have a claim against you for damages. So as we all do more and more business on the internet, it's important to get our websites up to date, even if your website is nothing more than a pretty business card online, with the appropriate disclaimers, cookie policy, use policy, and privacy policies. So talk to your web designers, talk to your web providers, and talk to your local attorneys who stand ready to put those language and those policies in place so you've got yourself covered from liability on that side. Any questions? We look forward to hearing from you on this topic. Thank you very much for your time.